of all, hi, good afternoon. How are you doing?
I'm doing great. And you?
I'm also doing awesome. Thank you so much for asking. Could you introduce yourself because we are meeting first time, right?
Yes. Okay, so my name is Anna Shukla. I study in fourth class. I live in the state of MP in the capital of Bhopal. I am 9 years old and I study in a public school. And I'm also a YouTuber and I run a YouTube channel called The Anna. This is all about me.
Oh, that's great. So, what did you say? In which class are you studying?
I study in fourth.
Oh, that's great. So, you're studying in fourth class and you're speaking you're speaking English very fluently and confidently as well. When I used to study in seventh class, okay, I took admission in English medium background. Somehow I passed my 10 plus 2 as well and my graduation. Then also I was unable to speak in English. But I can see you, I really appreciate as well. You are speaking very fluently and confidently as well. So Arna, could you tell me how did you learn this language?
Well, I learned this language by watching English videos and also lots of other tips for practicing English.
Okay, that's great. And how long have you been learning this language?
Since I was 3 years old,
When you were 3 years old, you were learning this language. Okay,
yes.
who told you to learn this language? And who had inspired you to learn this language?
Well, my parents.
Okay, so what about your father occupation? What does he do?
My father is a pharmacist.
Okay, that's great. And okay, so what are your hobbies and what do you want to become in your life?
I want to become an engineer and go to IIT college. And my hobbies are dancing, singing, and lots of other things.
Okay, and what type of song do you listen? Do you like to listen English songs?
Well, yes. Well, I don't get much time.
Because you are studying, you are a YouTuber as well, you are making videos, right? That's why you don't have that much time, correct?
Yes, yes, and the other reason is because I'm in an older class.
Yes, you're right. So, do you want to ask any question to me as well?
Well, yes.
Okay, ask me, no problem.
Like, where do you live?
Well, I'm living in Gurugram, Haryana. Do you know about Gurgaon?
Well, yes, I do know about Gurgaon. It's in Haryana. I have visited when I was really young.
But I'm from Uttarakhand, Khatima. Basically, I'm from Uttarakhand, Khatima. But nowadays, I'm living in Gurgaon, Haryana because it's been for 2 years. I'm working here.
Oh, so you're basically from Uttarakhand, right?
Yes. And do you know something about Uttarakhand?
Yes, I've been to Uttarakhand in this
Okay.
age.
And do you know the Chief Minister of Uttarakhand? Who is the Chief Minister of Uttarakhand?
Chief Minister?
Yeah, like our Chief Minister Puskar Singh Dhami.
No, I don't.
Oh, no problem. You are very, young girl, right? You are very small girl. There is no issue. Okay, I'm having nephew as well, right? They are studying in fourth and fifth standard, right? Even they don't know about, like chief minister. Yeah, they know about the prime minister of this country. But you are having good knowledge. Okay, you are doing well as well, right?
Yes, I do. So, do you have any other questions?
No, I don't have any other question. If you want to ask, you can ask. Now you don't have any questions.
Well, actually, I do have one.
Okay, no problem. You can ask.
What is your native language and is there an English speaking environment in your family?
No, I speak Pahari language because I belong to Uttarakhand, right? So I speak Pahari language. Do you know about Pahari language? In Uttarakhand, we speak two languages like Pahari and Gadwali. So I speak Pahari language. So there is no environment.
Okay, well, I think we should bring an environment for speaking English. So can you please teach me your native languages?
Oh my God. Okay, you want to learn my native language, right? Will you try
Yes.
to speak those sentences?
Can you please repeat?
I'm saying whatever I'll say in my native language. Will you try to repeat those sentences?
Well, yes, I'll try.
Okay, so you can say, uh, mero, mero. Oh my God. Just say
Mero,
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 naam,
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 arna, arna,
arna,
cha. It's a
cha.
cha, C-H-A, yeah. मेरा नाम अर्ना छ और मी
Mirna, Anna, cha, and me,
और और
all,
मी
me,
दिल्ली
Desi,
मैं
मैं,
रुचि.
Ruchi.
It means you are saying my name is Arna, I live in Delhi. It was just example, okay?
Okay.
Yeah. It's similar to Hindi as well. You can say there are some words,
Yes, there are.
but nowadays, people are not speaking, our native language. They just want to learn English. They just want to learn Hindi, right? Yeah, we must learn English as well. It's a global language, but we must not forget our culture as well, right?
Yes.
Okay. So I can see there is a temple behind you. Do you worship as well?
Yes, I always worship at 8 p.m. every day.
Oh my God, that's great. It means your parents are teaching you well. We must worship as well, right? But nowadays people are not worshiping. Okay, so we must worship as well, right? Because whatever
Mm,
we are because of God, right?
yes, I'm the devotee of Lord Krishna and also Radha. He and she's a baby on the top.
Yes, I can see. So I can say Hare Hare Krishna as well.
Hare Hare Krishna.
Okay, all right. So now, do you have any other questions, or should we wrap up this conversation?
Let's just wrap up.
What did you say?
Let's just wrap up.
All right. Okay. So thank you so much for joining this session. Have a great journey as well for your YouTube. You're really doing well. So keep on working as well. And bye for now.
A big
Bye
thank you
bye.
for a kind word. And bye. Stay safe.
Okay. You too.